Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Essay on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 1. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great Indian scientist. 2. He was the 11th President of India. 3. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Tamil Nadu. 4. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. 5th. His father's name was Jainul Abidin and mother's name was Ashiyamma. 6. He is also known as the Missile Man of India. 7th. He played a key role in India's Pokhran second nuclear test in 1998. 8. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna for his contribution. 9. He died on 27 July 2015 in Ceylon. 10. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's life is a great inspiration for all of us. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.